How Cyber Sanskar saved a Nashik college after a cyber attack. Imagine you are a student at a busy college in Nashik, getting ready for a big test. Suddenly, just before an important NAAC event, something goes very wrong. The college's website, which holds lots of important information, is hacked by bad people called cyber criminals. The website crashes, everything on it is erased, and it looks strange and damaged. Everyone at the college feels worried and scared because the website is needed for the upcoming evaluation by NAAC special visitors. With only 10 days until the evaluation, the college needs help fast. That's when they call Mr. Tanmay S. Dikshit from a team called Cyber Sanskar, who are experts at protecting computers and websites from hackers. Tanmay and his team jump into action right away. First, they build a brand new website for the college. This website is much safer and stronger, built so that hackers cannot easily attack it again. It is like building a house with strong locks and tall fences, so unwelcome guests can't get in. But just building a new website is not enough. Cyber Sanskar checks the entire digital system carefully to find out if there are any other weak spots where hackers could get in. They look at everything, like detectives searching for clues. Then, they make a list of all the problems and explain to the college how to fix them. Next, they add multiple layers of protection. Imagine wearing a raincoat, carrying an umbrella, and also standing under a roof all at the same time during heavy rain. This is what Cyber Sanskar does for the college website. They set up firewalls, which are like digital walls, so hackers can't sneak in. They also use automatic tools that keep checking for any new danger and take regular backups, so that if anything bad happens again, the information won't be lost. Thanks to all these smart moves, the college gets its website back. When the visitors come for the evaluation, they see not only a working website, but also realize that the college is strong and smart about protecting its information. In the end, because Cyber Sanskar acted quickly and did such a good job, the college's score during the evaluation is not just saved, but even improved. More people trust the college now, and everyone feels proud and safe. The college leaders thank Tanmay and his team for supporting them during a tough time. This story shows how important it is to be ready for cyber attacks and have experts who know how to protect and fix digital problems. Even in scary situations, working together and responding quickly can turn things around and make everyone stronger. Share this video to build cyber-aware organizations. Join Cyber Sanskar's online courses for hands-on security training. Call and WhatsApp +91 8149 573. Website https://tanmed.pro